Hi, I'm Dr. Stanley Stanbridge, inventor, CEO, and co-founder of Rapid Release Technology. The purpose of this short video is to go over the basics of the usage of our high-speed vibration technology. When I first developed it, it was a learning curve. There was a lot of things I needed to find out, but I was still getting great results. As the company has grown and we have more and more devices all over the world, feedback is coming back to us from professionals in the field explaining how they're using the device to get their best results. What I found is that they bring their knowledge and their experience to the device and they use it as a tool to leverage their results. So I wanted to go over a few basics regardless of the kind of technique that you're using. 3 things to basically remember. Keep the device moving at all times. Don't use a lot of pressure and use it over a large area versus a very tight, small area. Trey, if you wouldn't mind having a seat. So we're going to demonstrate with using the device on Trey's shoulder. So let's say the target that I want to apply it to is right here on the deltoid area. So I'm going to start here, keep it moving. I'll move over the trapezius up to the base of the skull, out to the front, into the pectoral area, the scapular muscles, and then down the arm all the way to the fingertips, keeping it moving at all times. Light pressure. As I come back, then I'll linger back over the shoulder area, the target, original target, and then I'll use it back over those areas that I first started on. So I'll start. So we're using it over the target area, keeping it moving at all times. Use circular pattern, zigzag, back and forth, it doesn't matter. You can use any of the treatment surfaces that you're comfortable with. Go over all 3 areas of the deltoid, coming down the arm. Extend your hand a little bit. It's important to use it over the entire region of the body because often areas that are unrelated to the shoulder, seemingly unrelated, can have an effect on what's going on another part of the anatomy. Turn your hand over. So just using it again, keeping it light. I found that if you use a lot of pressure, you're compressing the tissue. As you compress the tissue, you're getting less vibration through the body. So by using light pressure, that's what you're getting is deeper penetration. You can let your arm down. So now I'm going to go back up to the base of the skull, over the scapular muscles, and back over the pectoral muscles, and we'll end where we started. So, the shoulder. And apply that protocol to whether it's a shoulder, an elbow, the wrist. Keep it moving, light pressure, move it over a large area. So if you're using it on the wrist, you want to use it all the way up to the shoulder and all the way back down to the fingertips. So Trey, if you wouldn't mind laying face down. Actually, let's have you lay face up. So now as a lower extremity example. So we're going to target the knee. So let's say it's around the patellar region. So same thing, not using a lot of pressure. Keep it moving. So we're starting on the target area, work all the way around the joint itself, front, back, sides. Lift your leg up. We'll get behind the knee. Let your leg down. And now we're going to work over the quadriceps, the IT band, the tensor fascia lata, all the heads of the quadriceps. Lift your leg up. Going to get into the gluteal area, into the hamstrings. Okay, let your leg down. So now we're going to go back down through the knee, into the leg, into the ankle, the back of the leg, and you can use it over shoes. I found that using it over The shoes often helps to enhance the vibration over a wider area, so nothing wrong with that. Coming back to our target, which is the patella region. And it's that simple. Whatever techniques you're using in your practice, whatever you're accustomed to, whatever your knowledge and experience bring to the tool, you can leverage your abilities with the tool called high-speed vibration therapy, the rapid release therapy Pro 3. Thank you.